Google Analytic allows you to see precisely exact thing is occurring on the opposite side of the screen. Google Analytic is a free web analytic administration used to follow site execution, furnishing site proprietors with essential measurements and analytic devices for site design improvement and showcasing purposes. We'll cover the rudiments and advantages of Google Analytic. However, to realize the reason why web investigation matter for your business, click the connection above or in the depiction underneath. Since it's free to anybody with a Google account, Google Investigation is famous among little and medium measured organizations, especially retail sites. By gathering site guest understanding, it can assist organizations with deciding top wellsprings of client traffic, check the outcome of their advertising, track objective fruitions, find examples and patterns in client commitment, and acquire guest socioeconomics. Google Analytic can follow up to 200 distinct measurements to assess site execution, including clients or extraordinary guests to the site, bob rate, or the level of guests who just saw a solitary page prior to shing out, normal meeting length or the typical time every guest stays on the site, pages per meeting, or the typical number of online visits per client meeting, objective culminations, or times guests finished a particular activity is characterized by the organization and numerous others. For example, Google Analytic could see a retail organization when clients added items to cards, or tell a promoting site when a guest presents a contact data structure. Following explicit objectives like these is typically more supportive to organizations than an overall measurement like site hits. Google Analytic additionally offers includes that assist clients with figuring out the information like information representations and checking instruments, information separating, control and pipe examination, prescient examination and abnormality recognition, custom reports for promoting, obtaining and crowd change, and significantly more. While Google Analytic is free, strong, and easy to understand, it has a few inadequacies like trade-off information exactness on the off chance that clients block Google Analytic treats, and huge safety buffers for little sections of information. Do you utilize Google Analytic? What elements and advantages are generally significant to you? Tell me in comment below, hit the subscribe button, see you at next video, till then goodbye, take care.